What's good, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm about to drop another video today. Today, we're installing some coilovers on the SS. I got some BC Racing coilovers right here that I'm about to install on the car before I put my new wheels on the car. So, yeah. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I plan on doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Debating on like a $100, $200 gift card. I'll give it away to a random subscriber. So subscribe to the channel. Follow my Instagram. My Instagram is Keith's Car Vlogs also. Follow that. That's probably where I'll do the giveaway at on Instagram. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Go ahead and get these coilovers installed. Cause I've been waiting to do this for a minute. Plus, I got a couple other things I need to fix on the car that didn't get addressed when it was getting painted. So I'm gonna get that stuff addressed and install these coilovers before I put these wheels on it. I'll give y'all a little sneak peek though right here. I got the tires. Finally got my tires in for the wheels. I ain't gonna tell you what size they are. Y'all will see when I install them. But we'll go ahead and jump into this video though. Alright, I'm back. Got the old car strut off, putting the new BC Racing coilovers on. I'm assembling them right now, trying to get everything right. Over here reading the instructions. I done put them on twice and I was fucking up and not putting everything on, so I pulled out the instructions so I could do it correct. But putting all the little pieces on, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I put them on the car. Let y'all see what they look like. That black paint wet though. Yeah. Alright, I'm back. Finally got the coilovers on and figured out how to adjust them right. Got them on. I'm about to go to the other side, knock it out, and y'all just want to stay tuned for the next video. I'll show y'all when I knock that other side out, and then I'm gonna end the video because after that I'm putting my wheels on, and that's gonna be a whole separate video. Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back. As you can see, I'm finishing up the rear set of coilovers. It's done got late on me. It's dark. So we're gonna end up ending the video right here, and y'all gonna have to catch me in the next video when I'm installing the wheels, and I get some daytime footage of the car outside the garage with the wheels on it. So stay tuned for the next video. Hit that like button, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.